Very good afternoon, students. SST teacher Algit here. Dear children, I have a new video today. We shall discuss about that. That is topic 5, the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. The global influence affected the Russian Revolution and the USSR. This topic will enable us to know about the more facts of the revolution. Let's get started. Existing socialist parties in Europe did not wholly approve of the way the Bolsheviks took power. The existing socialist party in Europe, means the working government in Europe, did not wholly approve of the way the Bolshevik took power. After assumed the power by Bolshevik, they did not accept the whole approve initiated by Bolshevik and kept it. However, the possibility of a workers' state fired people's imagination across the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed, like the Communist Party of Great Britain. Many countries were there in the world who accepted communism, and the party was formed in many parts of the world as it was there in Great Britain, means in England. The Bolshevik encouraged colonial peoples to follow their experiment. Many non-Russians from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the People of the East. The Bolshevik, who was the ruler of Russia those days, he encouraged the colonial people to follow their experiment. Many non-Russians from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the Peoples of the East. The conference was organized in 1920. Many people, except from Russia, they belonged from USSR. They participated here, and the Bolshevik founded Comintern. Comintern was an international union of pro-Bolshevik socialist parties. Before Bolshevik, this party was there in the prominence, and they were the part of Russia. Some received education in the USSR's Communist University of the Workers of the East. By the time of the outbreak of the Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature. Yet, by the 1950s, it was acknowledged within the country that the style of government in the USSR was not in keeping with the ideals of the Russian Revolution. In the world socialist movement, too, it was recognized that all was not well in the Soviet Union. A backward country had become a great power. Its industries and agriculture had developed and the poor were being fed. but it had denied the essential freedoms to its citizens and carried out its developmental projects through repressive policies. By the end of the 20th century, the international reputation of the USSR as a socialist country had declined, though it was recognized that socialist ideas still enjoyed respect among its people. Just after the 20th century, the international reputation of USSR gone down and the policy of USSR communists was not popular ahead. As a result, it lost its identity and some received education in USSR in communist university. They were definitely very learned people. It was the time of the outbreak of the Second World War. The USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature, but it could not be popular for a long time. As a result, it undergone. Yet by the 1950s, it was acknowledged within the country that the style of government in the USSR was not in keeping with ideals of the Russian Revolution. So they did not find, means the people of Russia did not find that what the actual condition was there during the revolution and ideas created for the Russia during the revolution is not effective at present. In the world socialist movement too, it was recognized that all was not well in the Soviet Union. वर्ल्ड सोशलिस्ट मूवमेंट में भी ये सोवियत यूनियन रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं रहा. ए बैकवर्ड कंट्री हैड बिकम ए ग्रेट पावर. इट्स इंडस्ट्रीज एंड एग्रीकल्चर हैड डेवलप्ड and the poor were being fed. But it had declined the essential freedoms to its citizens and carried out its developmental projects through repressive policies. By the end of the 20th century, the international reputation of the USSR as a socialist country had declined. This line is to be marked. It could not maintain its dignity as it was there during the revolution. Socialist ideas were forgotten by the Russian government, but in each country the ideas of socialism were rethought in a variety of different ways. In the rest of the countries, the ideas were rethought to follow ahead. Now here is some facts in the boxes. Number 1, box 5, writing about the Russian Revolution in India. What was the writing about the revolution in India? Among those the Russian Revolution inspired were many Indians. Several attended the Communist University. By the mid-1920s, the Communist Party formed in India. By influencing the Russian Revolution and the ideas of Communist Party, some Indian thinkers were also influenced from these ideas and they followed. Many attended the Communist University in Russia also. As a result, a party, Communist Party, was formed in May 1920 in India. Its members kept in touch with the Soviet Communist Party. Important Indian political and culture figures took an interest in the Soviet experiment and visited Russia. Among them, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote about Soviet socialism in India. Writings gave impressions of Soviet Russia. In Hindi, R.S. Avasthi wrote in 1920-21, Russian Revolution, Lenin, his life and his thoughts, and later the Red Revolution. S.T. Vidyalankar wrote the rebirth of Russia and the Red Revolution, Russia and the Soviet state of Russia. There was much that was written in Bengali, Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil and Telugu. This was the influence of the Russian Communist Party, which were adopted by many nationalists and leaders from rest part of the world. An Indian arrives in Soviet Russia in 1920. For the first time in our lives, we were seeing Europeans mixing freely with Asians. This was the first time when, as he expresses his views, he saw यूरोपियंस मिक्सिंग फ्रीली विथ एशियंस. जो यूरोपियन थे एशियन के साथ वो मिक्सअप हो रहे हैं. ऑन सीइंग द रशियंस मिंगलिंग फ्रीली with the rest of the people of the country, we were convinced that we had come to a land of real equality. We saw freedom in its true light, in spite of their poverty imposed by the counter-revolutionaries and the imperialists. The people were more jovial and satisfied than ever before. The revolution had instilled confidence and fearlessness in them. The real brotherhood of mankind would be seen here among these people of 50 different nationalities. No barriers of caste or religion hindered them from mixing freely with one another. Every soul transformed into an orator. One could see a worker, a peasant, or a soldier haranguing like a professional lecturer. Shaukat Usmani, Historical Tips of a Revolutionary. He has expressed his idea in this journey. Rest we shall discuss tomorrow and or in the next video. Till then, you study in better way. Thank you.